നിങ്ങൾ സൂര്യനെപ്പോലെ തിളങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം സൂര്യനെപ്പോലെ എരിയണം. Today we will discuss about current affairs 20th April 2020. First one is importance of 20th April. First one, 1954 Panchasheel Agreement between China and India. Second one is Chinese Language Day. First one, what is a Panchasheel? It is a set of 5 principles of peaceful coexistence to govern relation between states. First principle, mutual respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. Second principle, mutual non-aggression. Third principle, non-interference in each other's internal affairs. Fourth principle, equality and mutual benefit. Fifth principle, peaceful coexistence. It was first indicated in treaty from between China and India in 1954. India views the agreement as an opportunity to promulgate its anti-colonial posture. China says in this expression of Asian solidarity a means to check the growing anti-communist sentiment in the West. Second, Chinese Language Day is observed on 20th April. The day highlights the contribution of Chinese literature, poetry, and language in the world culture. The aim of the observation of the day is to educate people about the history of Chinese language. The observation of the first UN Chinese Language Day was held on 12th November 2010. In 2011, the date was moved to 20th April. Chinese language. One of the most complex language is Chinese. It is believed that the Chinese language has existed for thousands of years. Due to the complex nature of the language, its origin remains unknown, and when it separated itself from that family. Chinese is formed from the Sino-Tibetan language family. It is believed that the origin of Chinese language are credited to Kanji. The written Chinese language was invented by Kanji. Later, different dialects formed throughout the province of China. The dialect used in the early and middle 11th to 7th centuries BC is not seen much in modern Chinese. Chinese Day is celebrated to honor Kanji. Next, recently news in the researchers followed a twofold strategy by increasing the sample by systematically searching for highly among low mass evolved stars in the galaxy and determining the exact evolutionary phase of the highly abundant star. In our exam point of view, the news the two important words for our exam preparation. One is the researchers highlight. Second one is Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Researchers highlight. The researchers have also associated such Lee enhancement with central heat burning stars, also known as red club giant, which opened up new vistas in the evolution of the red giant stars. The team cracked the long-standing problem in stellar astrophysics. The researchers followed a twofold strategy by increasing the sample by systematically searching for high lithium among low-mass evolved stars in the galaxy and determined the exact evolutionary phase of these high light abundance stars. The researchers determined the evolutionary phase of the giant Lie by analyzing relative position of thousands of stars using their temperature and luminosity, and also subjecting their independent data set to atmospheric oscillation analysis using data from Kepler Space Telescope, a NASA mission for discovering planet. The discovery will eliminate many proposed theories such as planet engulfment or nucleosynthesis during the red giant evolution in which helium at the center is not burning. Indian Institute of Astrophysics, established in 1786, location Bengaluru, Karnataka, Director Professor Annapurni Subramaniam. Indian Institute of Astrophysics, a national research institute of India. It conducts research in the area of astronomy, astrophysics and related subjects. Next news. Recently news in calling on the Indian government to take steps to protect Muslim minorities who are being negatively profiled, facing discrimination and violence amidst the COVID-19 crisis. The 57-member Organization of Islamic Cooperation has criticized what is called growing Islamophobia in India. Recently, the Ministry of External Affairs has reacted sharply to the similar statement on religious stigmatization of minority in India by the US Commission on International Religious Freedom. This is a news for today. The important for our purpose, one is OIC, second one is USCIRF. What is OIC and USCIRF? Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation is an international organization founded in 1969, consisting of 57 member states with a collective population of over 1.8 billion as of 2015, with 53 countries being Muslim majority countries. The organization states that it the collective voice of Muslim world and work to safeguard and protect the interest of Muslim world in the spirit of promoting international peace and harmony. The OIC has permanent delegation to the United Nations and European Union. Some members, especially in West Africa and South America, are through the large Muslim population, not necessarily Muslim majority countries. A few countries with significant Muslim population, such as Russia and Thailand, sit over observer states. Next, US Commission on International Religious Freedom, USCIRF. A United States Commission on International Religious Freedom is a US federal government commission created by the International Religious Freedom Act of 1998. USCIRF commissioners are appointed by the President and the leadership of both political parties in the Senate and the House of Representatives. USCIRF researches on minority international religious freedom issues. The Commission is authorized to travel and fact-finding mission to the other countries and hold public hearing. Next is type of human coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large family of single-stranded RNA virus that cause disease in animals and humans. In humans, The virus usually caused mild to moderate upper respiratory tract illness such as the common cold. In the last 2 decades, more aggressive coronavirus has emerged that are capable of causing serious illness and even death in humans. This includes SARS-CoV, MERS, and now SARS-CoV-2. The classification of coronavirus. In the year 2012, disease Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS. Virus name is MERS-CoV. Virus species Middle East Respiratory Syndrome related to coronavirus. In 2003, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS. Sorry, some mistake for the diagram. In 2013, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS. SARS-CoV virus species Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome related coronavirus. In 2019, coronavirus disease COVID-19 virus SARS-CoV-2 virus species Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome related coronavirus. This is the classification for coronavirus. This is the third phase for COVID-19 or coronavirus in our world. First one is 2012, second 2003, last one in 2019. When the human coronavirus were first identified, one of the first coronavirus strain to be described in the mid-60s. OC43 was discovered in 1967 according to the Journal of Virology. NL63 and HKU1 was first identified in the Netherlands in 2004. SARS-CoV was identified 2003 in China. This is in animal source. MERS was discovered on 2012 in the Saudi Arabia. SARS-CoV-2 has emerged 2019 in Wuhan. Sorry for I tell about the diagram. For this diagram, classification coronavirus. Some mistake for this. First one is 2012, second 2003, third one is 2019. The first one is 2003, identifies Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS. Second, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS. Third one is COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019. This is virus for 2003 SARS-CoV. Second one is 2012 virus MERS-CoV. 2019 virus SARS-CoV-2, that is COVID-19. As Indian Institute of Astrophysics. The Indian Institute of Astrophysics, with its headquarters in Bengaluru, is a national research institute of India. IIA conducts research primarily in the area of astronomy, astrophysics and related subjects. It is widely reorganized as a leading research center for astrophysics in India. IIA contributed to Astrostat, India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory. The institute led the development of ultraviolet imaging telescope UVIT. The institute has a network of laboratory and observatories in India, including Kodaikanal, the Kodaikanal Solar Observatory. Second, Kovalur, the Venu Bapa Observatory. Third one, Gauri Madanur, the Gauri Madanur Radio Observatory. Fourth one, Hali, the Indian Astronomical Observatory. Next, Raman Research Institute. Raman Research Institute (RRI) is an institute of scientific research located in Bangalore, India. It was founded by Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. Although it began as an institute primarily owned by Sir C.V. Raman, it is now founded by the Government of India. It is affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru University. The main area of the research are astronomy and astrophysics, theoretical physics, light and matter physics, soft content matter physics. Thank you. Think before you speak, read before you think. Prepared with J. Kodanes, Aeon Study Circle. If you join our study group, all social media, Facebook, Aeon Study Circle, WhatsApp 9846024053, Telegram, Aeon Study Circle, YouTube channel, Aeon Study Circle. If you like this video, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.